Hello boys and girls, welcome to the Math Club. In this video we're going to talk about frequency polygons and how to sketch or draw a frequency polygon on a graph or on the grid. Now first, these data here, we're going to use them to make the frequency polygon. Here we have the earning per years or earnings per year, and we have number of employees or the frequency. Now, to draw a frequency polygon, first, let's make the lines like this. So we're going to make the lines like this. Vertical line and horizontal line. Now, the frequency is always on the vertical line. So make sure that you understand this. The frequency is always here. So what am I going to do? I'm going to put the frequency here. We can call it number of employees or frequency. Let's call it NO or number. And here we have earnings, so we're going to call it earnings. Okay. First, let's take a look at the frequencies. What's the highest frequency here? Very good, it's 62. And we have 2, 5, 5, 9. We have different numbers. They're small, they're not big. And the highest is 62. So I think I'm going to go up with 5s. I'm going to go up with 5s. So I'm going to make it 5, 10, like this, okay? So it's going to be 5. First, we put the frequency on this side, as we said. And then on the bottom, we're going to put the earnings. As we see, the earnings start from 0 until 60. So this one is 0 here. This one is 0. And then it goes on until 60. So we're going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 40. 50. 60. Sorry, 60. Now, because I have more space, I'll add like this, and I'll move it over here. Yes. Now, we have the earnings down here, and we have the frequency or number of employees on this side. Now, I'm going to use these data to draw a frequency diagram first. I know that you understand how to find coordinates, but I think frequency diagram will make it easier for you to put or plot a frequency polygon. So I'm going to use the space to draw a frequency diagram. First, I'm going to use a square. I'll make it blue. So I'm going to use a square like this. It's going to be a rectangle. So I have the data from 0 to 10. From 0 to 10, it's 5. So I'm going to go until 5 like this. This is from 0 to 10. Okay. Now, copy, paste. I'm going to use the same length. And I'm going to put it from 10 to 20. And 10 to 20 here, you can find it's going till 9. So 9 is almost here. Yes. And then from 20 to 30, we have 26. So from 20 to 30, it's 26. So I go from 20 to 30. It will give me 26 until here. This is 25 and 26, almost here. Okay. And then from 30 to 40, it's until 62. So from 30, like here, to 40, it's until 62. So 60 is here, and here 62, yes. And then from 40 to 50, it goes until 5. So 40 to 50, it goes until 5, which is over here, same as the first one. And then the last one, from 50 to 60, we have until 2. So 50 to 60, like this, we draw it, and it's until 2. 2 is almost here, yes. And this is how we plot or draw a frequency diagram. Now I'm going to use the frequency diagram to draw a frequency polygon. I'm going to draw a frequency polygon. Now, for a frequency polygon, I have to find the midpoints for each one of them, and then use the midpoints with the frequency to plot the coordinates of points. But I did it in another way, in which I plot a frequency diagram using this data, and then I'm going to find the midpoint on the bar chart or on each bar, and then connect them together. So first, let's find the midpoints here. The midpoint is over here, yes. Okay, I'm going to find the midpoint for each bar like this. It's the point in the middle, yes. So it's over here and over here, here and here. Now, after finding the midpoints on each bar, I'm going to connect these midpoints with a line. The line, I'll make it red so you can see it, and I'll make it thinner. Now the line should be a straight line because polygons have straight sides. So I'm going to start from here like this line, and then this line. And when you connect them, you go by order. You don't jump to other bars like this. No, you have to connect them by order. Here, and then here, and then here. And this is the idea of drawing or plotting a frequency polygon. So first thing we did, we followed this data. We drew the vertical and horizontal line. We put the frequency on this side or on the vertical line, and we put the data on this line. And then we followed this data to create bar charts for the frequency diagram. And then we used the midpoint for each bar, and then we connect them to each other to make a frequency polygon. And this is how you answer a question like this. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.